How often should the bearing of an excavator swing motor be lubricated? Today, I'm going to walk you through it, everyone. Follow me, let's go. This is the SANY swing motor, and the top part needs to be lubricated with gear oil. For the older models of swing motors, there's a grease fitting at the bottom for lubrication, but in the newer models, the grease fitting has been moved to the outside. Let's take a look. This is the lubrication point for the swing motor bearing right here. It is recommended to lubricate it every 500 hours. Each time you lubricate, just 2 or 3 pumps are enough. Don't overdo it. Did you know that under the control lever there's a pilot valve, and inside the pilot valve there's a ball joint that needs to be greased every 1,000 hours? Now you know. The fan tensioner bearing needs to be lubricated every 1,000 hours. This is another lubrication point. In some of the maintenance videos we've posted, many viewers have expressed differing opinions about the maintenance intervals for excavators. They believe that the maintenance is too frequent, and with work being hard to come by these days, the costs are quite high. But the point I want to make to everyone is that if you maintain your machine well, it will stay in good condition and generate more economic value for you. So, the more work you do, the more money you make. Please make sure to maintain your machine regularly. It's good for the machine and good for you as well.